Good morning, children. Now let us start with the second exercise concept. Volume. You must follow all the formula clearly. The first one is volume of the cylinder pi r squared h cubic units. Volume of the hollow cylinder pi h the units of r squared is what? Capital square minus small r square. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hollow sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hollow hemisphere 2 by 3 pi into capital R cube minus small r cube. Volume of the prism is equal to 1 by 3 pi h capital square plus capital small r plus r square cubic unit. These are all the formula. You must have all the formula clearly. Now, when you say here, by volume area, the question is example, that exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. The first question. Read the question clearly. A 14 meter deep well, the form of canal, similar shape, in the diameter is 10 centimeter. To 14 meter deep, that is height, depth, given h is 14 meter, and the radius r equal to what is given? Diameter is 10 centimeter, 10 meter. Radius means 10 by 2 equal to 5 centimeter. 5 meter. This is very important. Radius will mean right answer. But diameter is given. Then we divide by 2. By using this idea, listen here, this is actually, this is the form of cylindrical bed. Alright? Here, the radius is what? 5 centimeters given. Alright? 5 meters given. The width is 5 meters given. Find it. Width. So totally, 5 plus 5, 10 is Kepler. Am I right? 10 is Kepler. Find it. But anyway, inside there, actually, the tennis is how much you know? The inside of the box, you say small r 5 meter, h is what? 15 meter. Volume of the, by using this idea, volume of the cylinder, you will find. Volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the earth tank of the volume of the earth tank of the but what is called pi r square h. Pi is 20 by 7. R square 5 into 5. And h is what? 14. Cancel 10. We get the answer 1 10 10 1 double 0. This is the centimeter in the first answer. We give the first answer. Weight given. Diameter given, from the diameter you find the radius, even if you find the volume of cylinder. The earth is dragged outside, the spread the sand here is inside here. That means, that also in the form of cylinder. That also in the form of hollow cylinder. Now, capital is what? There is external radius is equal to external radius. Capital is equal to the pi. The radius r plus width that means pi plus pi plus 10 centimeter. Smaller argument. What is asking? H is asking. H is asking. Okay? Really, by data, volume of the hollow cylinder is equal to volume of the cylinder will be equal. Okay? Volume of the hollow cylinder will be equal to volume of the cylinder will be equal. Volume of the hollow cylinder will be equal to only volume of the cylinder. What is the formula of the fan? Pi h is the capital R square minus small r square. Already find out one complete. The 22 is 7. H is h only. Small r capital square is what? 10 square minus 5 square Okay? H is equal to here 100 minus 25 is equal to 100 divided by 22 into 7. Okay? Cancel. If you want to cancel with the answer 100 here 2. Okay? Again cancel 29. Directly want to cancel 100 by 22. We have cancelled 28. Okay? Now here we are going to answer. The H is 75 is equal to 50 into 7. The H is equal to 50 into 7 by 75. 3 times, 2 times, 14 by 3. By H is equal to what? 14 by 3. In rough divide, point something in the middle. What is that, sir? 4.67. 4.66 is going on. 4.66 is going on. Therefore, 4.67 means is the height of the road. That is asking. Read the question clearly. What God was saying is that in the form of well, in the form of hollow cylinder. First, inside the well, only cylinder. When you use the formula, you can answer first one. Now, the sand, that will be removed from the well in the form of, with the question clearly, the evenly, the 14 meter, 10 meter is dug and the earth taken out is evenly spread. Outside the cylindrical well, around the well, to form environment width of 5 meters. That also in the form of hollow cylinder. Original cylinder, the well inside the well in the form of cylinder. That the earth is taken out and spread near the cylindrical well. That also in the form of hemisphere. Therefore, by using the original cylinder of the water cylinder, the water cylinder will be equal always from this area. You will find the X. That is height of the road. You must know all the formulas clearly. There are 2 times, 2 formulas you can see. Only water cylinder, hollow cylinder formula by using here. Now question number 2. Suppose one cylindrical glass is there. Suppose I want to immerse a small metal piece of cylindrical metal piece. Suppose here this level what is there? Suppose you drop any one of the metal piece inside that cylindrical contained water, automatically the water level will something increase. This is actually crow part. The crow part. In the pot, the crow is dropped something in, stone me, automatically the water will increase. The water level increasing also in the form of cylindrical form. Am I right? Level of water is there. Suppose you drop any metal piece, automatically the water level is increasing. And the level of water increasing of level, increasing level of water, that also in the form of cylindrical form. That's why for the cylindrical metal clearly given, is the process clearly, radius is given, radius got, radius can be R on 5 cm, height is H1, radius can be R on 5 cm, H is what, height of H1 is what, height is H1 equal to 4 cm clearly given. This is a metal, cylindrical metal. Next one is diameter is given. The cylindrical glass with diameter 20 mm is given. But radius is equal to R2 equal to diameter minimum of 10 cm. And water height is what? 9 cm. That is 9 is not considered. The cylindrical container having 9 meter height. We don't have that one. Now level of water size, that is what? That is this question. Okay? This is our idea. The height is 9 cm is given. The cylindrical glass to diameter given. The height of what is 9 cm is given. We don't want that one. Depends upon the metal piece, the level of water is increasing. That heat alone asking. That's very important. The total heat is not asking. That is 9. That is not a matter. We want only the level of water is rising. That only asking. For the water, the rise which is cylindrical form. The level of water also increasing. That was in the form of cylindrical shape. That's why that is given. H is asking. H is fixed. Now, depends upon the metal piece, the level of water is known. That's why both the volume will be equal. That's very important. Both the volume will be equal. Volume of the cylindrical metal equal to cylindrical metal is equal to volume of the water rise will be equal. By using the formula, pi in R1 square H1, in pi R2 square H2, pi times. R1 is what? Pi square. Okay? Pi square is H1. H1 is what? 4. The R2 is what? 10 square into H2. Pi is what? Pi into 5 into 4. Okay, 10 into 10 into H. Okay? What is that? Now cross multiply. We can answer. Multiply 5 by 25. 25 was 100. 10 and 10 is 100. Equal to H2. Okay? Now H2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Level of water is rising 1 centimeter. Height of the water? Height of the water? Height of the rice water, height of the rice water in the glass. In the glass is 1 centimeter. Once again I want to explain. This is the glass. 20 centimeter diameter. That is 10 meter radius. 10 centimeters radius. Here up to level of what is here? 9 meter. 9 centimeter. This we don't want. Now you drop one metal piece means automatically the level of water is rising. This is alone asking. That's why depends upon the metal piece. Suppose you drop biggest size metal, automatically all words are coming out. That's why I told you depends upon the metal piece, the level of water is rising. Because has been fully rising. Small piece means slightly rising. In this way you want to find the value of H. Anyway, both will be cylinder. That's very important. The level of water is, that also cylinder. The metal piece also cylinder is same. That's why both the form are the same, but radius and H will be different. Need not rather. This is only explanation. You want to write this answer. You have read the question clearly, that's very important. What is good, what is asking, is very important. What is the final question? Is a third problem is a fourth. The H is given, clearly given, H is equal to 105 centimeter given. The what is asking volume of the cone is asking, height given. One more condition is given. If the circumference of the conical wooden pieces is the circumference of the base, circumference is given. Good one. 484 centimeters is given. Circumference means at the base circumference is what? 2 pi r. So, volume is asking. The cone volume is what? 1 by 3 pi r square H. H is directly given. R not given. But instead of R given, circumference is given. Circumference what is that? 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into R. We want 484. We want R. 484 into 7 by 2 into 22. Okay? Here 22 will go. How many times? 2 times. 2 times means 44. remaining 4. Again 44. Okay? So 22 into 7 by 2. Again cancel. 11. The 77 is the value for R. Now what is asking? Volume of the cone is asking. Volume of the cone is asking. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi R square. Cubic is the formula. 1 by 3. 22 by 7. R square. What do we find out? 77 into 77. Am I right? Into H is what? 105. Am I right? Cancel 11 times. Cancel 30 times. Now what is the matter? 22, 11, 77, 35. You want to multiply all the 4 values, we get the answer. In graph 4, we want to multiply, we get the answer 6521, 652190 centimeter given, centimeter cube. Cube is mean centimeter cube. Area means centimeter square. And anyway, here the question clearly, volume is asking. Formula for volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. We need h and r. H is directly given. H is given. But R not given directly. Circumference is given. Circumference we have one more formula 2 pi r. By using that formula, you find the value of R. After like the formula for volume, substitute R value and H value, you get the answer 652190 centimeter cube. That's the formula. Question number 4. Now read the question. A conical container is fully filled with the petrol. This is a conical container filled with fully petrol is there. Am I right? Here, radius is given, height is given. Radius 10 centimeter, 10 meter, height is 15 meter. That's all right. If the container can release the petrol through its bottom, the bottom it can release. So automatically the petrol comes out. It's clear. One more release is given. The rate of 25 cubic meters per minute. Per minute, the release in the petrol is how many? 25 cubic meter cubic meter or meter cube. In 1 minute, the petrol release out has come out. What is the capacity? 25 meter cube. In 25 meter cube is equal to 1 minute. In 1 minute, the petrol comes out. The capacity is what? 25 meter cube. This is given. What is asking? In this way, come out me. In how many minutes the container will be emptied? The whole petrol comes out in forward time. After how long time? Time is asking. And also round off your answer in the nearest minutes. Round off. And write the answer in nearest minutes is asking. Now, volume. You will find volume only. Volume of the conical container. What is it? What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square is the formula. Am I right? 1 by 3, 14 by 7, r square, 10 into here, h is what? 15. 1 times 5 times. Am I right? If 5 is not possible, we can consider 5 only. Now what is it? 10 days of 100, 100 to be 500, 500 meter, that's what we need to. It's the body. Now what is given? To empty 25 meter cube is equal to the time taken is 1 minute. This is clearly given the question. Okay? To empty 25 meter cube, the time taken is 1 minute. We want 5 meter cube. That means what? To empty 500 meter cube, the time taken is and one is there. cross multiply 25 into multiply 500 pi means. Am I right? Now simplify it that. Is that very important idea? How many times? One time. 20 times. Am I right? 25. Now 20 is going to be 7. What is that, sir? 0, 4, 4, 0. 7. Now divide. Therefore, divide 6 times. 42. Remaining 2. How many times? 2 times. 14. Remaining 6. 0. Point. 16 is how many times? 8 times. 56. 4. 40. 5 times. 25 is how many? 62.85 minutes. That's important. So approximately round off, that means 63 minutes is answer. Because 25 minutes equal time is what? 1 minute. So the answer is always minutes. 62 point something, a 0.8 something, no? That's why 63 minutes. To empty the empty, we get the record time is what? 63 minutes. That is the answer. What is asking? What is asking? In how many minutes the container will be emptied? Am I right? The container, the conical container will be emptied in 63 minutes. That is the answer. Hence, the conical container will be emptied in 63 minutes. This is a formula. Read the question clearly by using the body formula. After this is given to empty 25 minutes is what? Time taken 1 minute. Now already find 5 meter cube. 500 meter cube means divided by 25. 1 by 25 into multiply 5 by 5. Simplify. We get the answer 62.85 minutes. Because minutes is given. Round off. So the questions are given. Round off approximately 63 minutes. The fifth question is here. Suppose one triangle is there. This is triangle. Alright? The right angle triangle. Right angle is a right angle. Right angle, right area. Base here, base is 6 cm. Height is 8 cm. This is 10 cm. Am I right? Now, you want, this is a base, height. Now rotate, this is a height, rotate it about this one. This one means the height is 8 cm, 8 mm, rotate about me, because volume is forming. Volume is forming. Am I right? You would find the volume of the cone, first part over. Similarly, now 8 as base, the 8 cm base, 6 cm height, now rotated about the base. So automatically, the height and where is the change? We have one more cone. Am I right? What is the difference between the volume is asking? What is the difference between volume is asking? This is here. The slant is 10 always. Slant is always 10. That is not a matter. Base 6, height is 8. First, I want to consider the cylinder, cone. Base is 6 cm. Height is 8 cm. Form a cone to find the volume of the cone. Next one is the base is 8 cm. Height is 6 cm. This is also form a cone. Now once again find the volume of the cone. What is the difference between the volume is asking? We have two cone. First one is base 6, height is 8. Next one is what? Base is 8, height is 6. Am I right? In this way, you will find the volume of the two cones. The difference is asking. You will subtract both, they get answer. That's all. Am I right? This is not triangle actually. The triangle rotated means automatically we get the form here one cone, right circle cone. That's very important. Suppose this is a cone. Am I right? Speed. Rotated speedily, automatically this form here cone. That's very important. That's why this is the base, height. Next one is, this is the base, this is the height. In this way, to find the volume of the two cones. That's the point. Now, draw the rough diagram. So, you put the triangle diagram. This is actually A, B, C. This is 90 degree. This trend is given. This 8 centimeters is different, 6 centimeters is different. The first one is case 1. When the triangle ABC is rotated about AB. This part is fixed here, rotated. So automatically, this is called base, which implies R equal to 6 centimeter, H is what? 8 centimeter. Now volume of the bone. What's the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square. It says 2 b is the formula. 1 by 3, 27, r square, 6 into 6 into 8. Okay? 1 time, 2 times. Now multiply this to 44. Multiply this to 48 by 7. Again 44 into 48. Multiply both. We get the answer 2816 by 7. Again divide by this one. 4 times exactly 40 to 402.29. This is exactly centimeter, centimeter cube. This is the first answer. 402. Okay? What is the answer? You multiply both the times, something wrong. You multiply both 48 and 44 means what is the answer? 33, 19, again 192. Add equal 2, 112 by 7. Okay? Now divide 3 times. Okay? 3 times. Exactly. Divide 193. 301. Point. We get the answer 71 centimeter cube. This is the first answer. First is 4. Case 2, the same thing. Case 2, when the triangle ABC is rotated about the first one is same, now BC. But this is base actually. That is all. R equal to 8 centimeter, H equal to 6 centimeter. Now volume of the cone. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square, let's say 2 units. Now substitute all the way. 1 by 3 pi is going to be 7. R square 8 into 8. H is what? 6. 1 time? 2 times. Alright? Now 22 into 8 is 64. 64 into 2, 128 is 7. Now multiply 42 into 128. 126 plus 126. Now simplify. We get the answer 2816. 28. Once more times. 401 point. In therefore divide. It's important. And therefore divide yourself. 401 point. 401 not 2 times. 4 times 49. Remember 2 402 point. Therefore, divide yourself 2816 divided by 70. 40 times 280. Remember 1. 6 into 2 times. Again 14 divided 2. 2 means 50. How much time? Again 2 times. 2 times. Now what is asking? Difference only asking. Difference in volume asking. Difference in volume. Difference in volume is equal to 402.29 minus the 301.71. You got what? 8. What is 5? 0. And 9. 90.58 centimeter cube. That's very important. 402.29, 301.71, 0. I think what 0 no? 100.58. Okay? They subtract, you repeat 1 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 3, 10. That is 100.58. 58 centimeter cube. In this exercise, we get 10 problem, 7.2, 5 problems are over. The remaining 5 problems are next class. Today that's all.